We start with 1 hour chart. Okay, first of all, if we refer to our analysis, we put our line here. We mentioned we need, if we get the price break, maybe we can look for sell. If not, the only times we can look for buy if we see the reversal without the breakout of this line. Anyway, there was a drop. There was a the price drop, but I didn't. Whatever we get here was not a really good trade setup to look for sell. Now, want to say what's the next? Okay, first of all, we start with higher time frame. As we can see, based on higher time frame, we're expecting to get the continuation, and we want to see the breakout of this top because we have been looking for this flat, but as we can see, the price tag almost 44, but there was no continuation almost at the top. That's why we are expecting to get the deeper correction here. Okay. Now we want to see how we can look for trade. Then in this case, we move to forward chart. This is what we're looking for. We're looking for continuation, but the only things we want to see how deep this correction can be. This means any reversal from here for buy, we will take the trade. But right now we don't have any trade set up. Okay, that means still we have to wait. And even if you move to 1 hour chart, all right, we don't have any trade set up either for sell or for buy. Okay, the thing is right now, if we wants to, as I mentioned, we don't have any trade setup, but if we wants to look for buy, since we mentioned we are more interested, we need to get the reversal flag to take the trade. But we need to know, we need, if we get any trade setup, we need to see the breakout of this. If not, this one can tend to flat as a correction in relative to this for continuation for the price to drop. Okay, that's why if you want to look for buy, we prefer this one, continue, retest or break this low, then any reversal from there, it can give us better continuation rather than price reverse from here, because still we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction. As I see, we don't have any trade setup, but whoever wants to look for buy, they need to know what this one should, I mean, may turn to a correction as a relative to this for one more drop. Okay, that's why having entry above this can be an option, but it's very risky because what we see made a price tag, then this one turned to flat for one more drop. If anyone wants to have entry, we can have entry above the stop. But what we want to see the price break and continue. If the price tag within the first hour, if we see there is no continuation or second hour, we take out the trade. Because mostly I don't think so we can get a really good opportunity to look for sell as a short move like based on 1 hour chart. Either we trade based on lower time frame or either this one turn to deeper correction with the breakout of the previous low. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell. We want to see what we will get here. Then from there we can make a decision. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.